Hi everyone, my name is Bruce Swartz. Got to thank you all for stopping by, checking out the research. Those just arriving to the channel, on the right is my old camera. An amazing view. You know, it's a D3400. I paid under $1,000 for me to be able to get out on the moon right away with this expensive telescope that the community raised money for. Look on the left. This is the new investment. $5,000, guys. A 46 megapixel camera, and the same scale here I'm showing you guys, we get a really nice view of the surface, and the detail is a lot better with the 46 megapixel. Of course, we're looking for fine detail on the moon. Now we're seeing this thick mint green color around Copernicus, and right down to the fine deep blue that's inside of the crevices along Copernicus crater. So we're seeing that detail on the surface, meaning we're going to see any change whatsoever in the color, and we're still seeing smokes and hazes on the surface. I'm getting some amazing shots right here right now. I'm working on another video, guys. I'll be up all night. I'm going to get from here to tomorrow, I'll get 5 videos up because we're just going to go crazy with getting as much in as we can and getting as much quality, getting as much detail on the surface. Those of you coming here, thanks for the suggestions, telling me what format, what frame rate, 1080p, 30p. I know that, guys. YouTube does upload at 30p, and that's what I upload with. The videos are fine. They're going to be good quality. Yesterday, I did a test with 120 frame rate, and that's what I said in the video. I called it testing it. There's nothing wrong with making some tests. We want to see better. I don't care if YouTube says they only upload 30p. If I upload 120p, you guys will see 60p, and that's my goal here, is to get a better view. Sinus iridium really got it nice. Boy, wow. What do you think? Along the Terminator line, the elevation, because we don't see sinus iridium elevated like that. And it really is symmetrical when you think of it. I call it the apple bite. It really is just, this oddly placed bite, very evenly on both sides. When you back out, again, look at the color. There are greens. The surface greenery is there, and even stronger, guys, than with the other DSLR. This is an amazing camera. There's a lot of features. I can take snapshots very easily with it in RAW format, and there's so much I can do. I'm alone, right? But give me the chance, guys, and don't worry. I've been non-stop advancing and getting clearer shots, and that's what's going to happen. There's a lot I'm going to do with the camera, but I'm going to share everything with you guys anyways. And okay, first of all, I want to thank everyone for coming here and connecting, taking the time to check out the research. Eratosthenes on the right here, Copernicus on the bottom. Why? Because I think that every channel, well, I know that every channel is what they are because of the community. You guys are supporting me, putting your trust in me. I'm getting a lot of support from you guys. I mean, if you're coming here just watching the videos, you're supporting the channel. And you're helping me a lot. And you're helping me stay here, And now, doing this full time, I promise you guys the good stuff is going to come out. Every day, I'm going to be doing more and more. And with this camera, as compared to the last, please check out the other videos. Both years, 2016 and 2017, amazing findings. But at least now the findings, guys, are going to be a lot clearer. But it's hard to believe, right? With $20,000 setup like this, and I'm not counting my monitors. I got for like a lot more. But the setup, you need that much money to be able to see the moon like this. Imagine. So imagine getting in really, really wide and close with a 30-inch telescope. And yeah, you're going to be really close, but probably not as close as we think we would be in. We always expect it to be a bit closer. And so we have mint greens. We have lime green there on the bottom, almost yellowish. We see pinks on the moon, intense blues, baby blues, turquoise colors. We're seeing a lot of purple colors, and of course that overall greenery when we get in even closer than this. But just an amazing view of it. adjusting the exposure. I'm doing a lot of testing still with the camera, but it's all positive. And so far, everything I was doing with the other DSLR will be twice as clear. I will go back and redo everything I did. We'll go back to Bianchini Crater. And here's Sinus Iridium, by the way, on top. I did take some nice shots, a close-up of Bianchini Crater. We do see the bridge and structuring again that I had shown before, and I'll get into that too. Don't you guys worry about it. I'll get some pictures up. Yeah, so I made about 3 videos. You know, it's the upload time. It's not that it's that long, but it does take an hour and 45 minutes to 2 hours and 25 minutes usually to upload a video. It depends on the video size. And my videos that I'm uploading are anywhere from 35 gigs to 70 gigs. So sometimes they're very big videos. The format's regular. 30p is okay because that's what YouTube takes and puts out. And that's what we can see right here. And the image is very good quality. Here's Copernicus Crater. Look at all the colors, guys. So many colors on the surface. Vibrant colors. We have details on the surface that I've never seen with my other camera before. And the telescope and this high-end camera together is really putting out. And that's what I'm going to be doing. Well, that's what I'm doing right now, actually, while you guys are watching this. I'm working on crazy zoom ups and zooming in. I have to set up the room at the back with my big monitor to be able to do some amazing footage. I have a 5K Retina screen here. My iMac Pro is, and so is my television. So I'm seeing a lot of detail, and I'm going to help you guys see it and show it to you. Remember this? Must have showed it about 2 years ago. So again, it's been 2 years since the Terminator line has been approximately right here. The Terminator line is the line of day and night, that dark line, and it doesn't always go back to the same areas, but the surface detail is wow. It's absolutely incredible with this 46 megapixel camera. Really happy. So guys, I'll get so many tests up. I'll be testing all night, getting a bunch of videos up for you guys, because that's what we like seeing, right? We want to see detail on the surface. I'm still stupefied by the amazing view of this camera. So we're going to get a lot of tests in and a lot of nice views of the surface. I hope you guys all appreciate it. And yeah, zooming in, there's zooming in. We will zoom in, and we'll also see in the next video. Wait till you see the surface. We'll be standing on the surface, guys, and we're going to see the greenery down there. And I'm not talking about these greens. I'm talking about the greens that are hiding inside of the gray areas and underneath possible clouds. Those just arriving here, I've found what looks like thick clouds, and this is confirmed on the surface of the moon. Whether those clouds are atmospherical clouds or created clouds that were deliberately created, whether it's camouflage, whether it's a hallucination, a hologram, I don't know. But I do have the videos up. And listen, UFOs are flying in and out of clouds on the surface, so you do have to look back in videos. And I mean, look back. You can go as far back as 200 videos, and I'm still finding UFOs on the surface. The work we're going to be able to do with this is going to be incredible, this camera. And I can only imagine what that UFO is going to look by. You know, I could be doing this for 10 years, and that one time that UFO will go by could be that moment that, we capture something that the world has never seen. And this is what's amazing with this job, with this research, is that you never know what you're going to find. It's not just like fishing or hunting. We have to go back many days sometimes to be able to capture something, and that's all okay. We're recording what we're finding. I'm recording what I'm finding, and guys, I promise you that you will be amazed as me. Like I said, I was completely stupefied seeing the quality of this. This is going to help my research a lot, and it's going to help the quality. I mean, look, this is the best shot, by the way. I think right here I got a photo of this, and it's in high resolution, ultra high definition. I got the best quality here, and I'm going to blow this up and get this laminated, very big shot and have this on my wall. Isn't this incredible? So the shot I got is this one here. Hold on, I'll get it into view. It's right here coming up. I'm going to get this shot and get it blown up right here. Pow. The colors here are incredible. And this baby blue color here, oh, there's so much we're going to go see, guys. We're going to go see that one in detail very soon. Thanks for watching, everyone.